Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking tasks? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your all-in-one kitchen solution. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and even make yogurt, seriously simplifying meal prep. Imagine replacing multiple kitchen gadgets with just one sleek device, freeing up precious counter space. With 15 customizable smart programs, cooking delicious meals is incredibly easy, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. From perfectly cooked rice to tender roasts, simply select a program and let the Instant Pot do the work for you. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every single time. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a versatile smart appliance designed to make your daily cooking routine enjoyable and efficient. If you're looking to buy the best Instant Pot model for your home, click the Amazon link in the description below to check out the latest deals. Seriously, for anyone searching for a high-quality, multifunctional kitchen upgrade in 2025, this Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute game-changer. Don't miss out. Revolutionize your kitchen with the Instant Pot Duo Plus today.